Veterans are losing homes every single year because they don't understand how the VA loan limits work. And 2026 is going to expose a lot of people. The mission for this video, to ensure that you're not one of them. I'm Jimmy V, Marine vet and mortgage loan originator specializing in VA loans. Today I'm breaking down the 2026 VA loan limits, what they actually mean, and how they affect your ability to use your VA loan. Bottom line, understanding this can save you tens of thousands of dollars or cost you tens of thousands depending upon how you use your benefit. Questions? Be sure to comment down below and I'll get them answered. So every year, FHFA announces new conforming loan limits. For 2026, we expect it to be at or around $819,000. But here's the deal, it doesn't really apply to VA loans. And here is where most veterans get confused. When we hear the word limit, we think it caps how much the veteran can borrow. That's not what it actually means. It really has to do with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and the types of loans that they'll actually buy on the secondary market. For VA loans, conforming loan limits serve kind of like a measuring stick. Jimmy, how do you mean exactly? Well, VA loan limits apply if you already have an active or existing VA loan on another house that you intend on keeping. If you don't have another VA loan, here's the deal. There is no limit, meaning you can buy at any price with zero down, assuming of course that you qualify, right, by way of income and credit with the lender. Let me give you a simple example. So let's say a veteran bought a home several years ago for around $300,000 and borrowed $300,000, right? That veteran would now like to keep that home and put some renters in it, right? So the veteran borrowed $300,000 and that's part of their VA loan entitlement. So here's what the VA looks at, right? They want to take that $819K limit and they subtract out the $300K, which means that the veteran has roughly $519,000 zero down purchasing power remaining. That's called partial entitlement. And this is the only time loan limits apply on a VA loan. Anything above that amount would require a down payment of 25% of the difference between the purchase price and the loan amount. For example, $619,000 purchase price, $519 cap max loan amount, 25% of that, math for Marines, right? $100K, that equates to $25,000. Want to know if your VA loan ready? I built a free 60-second quiz that gives you an idea of where you stand and if you're ready to put some rounds down range. You're also welcome to reserve a time to speak with me for a free 15-minute preliminary mortgage consult. Both links are in the description below. Why does everyone say that VA loans have no limit anymore? Well, because in 2020, President Trump signed into law something called the Vietnam Veteran Blue Water Initiative Act. That law removed the loan cap for veterans with full entitlement. Today, this makes the VA loan the only 100% financing, no money down loan available at any purchase price with no PMI, private mortgage insurance, and oftentimes has interest rates anywhere from 3/8 to 3/4 of a percentage point lower than other financing types. This, my friends, translates to massive savings for veterans and removes the barrier of needing 20% down when you purchase a home. Bottom line, if you don't have an existing VA loan, there is no limit. If you do, the conforming loan limit becomes your measuring stick for how much zero down you have left. If you want one-on-one VA loan help, you can schedule a VA loan consult with me at any time. I'm Jimmy V, Marine vet, VA loan specialist. Get out there, put some rounds down range, and purchase a home with confidence. My prayer for this video is that God uses it to bless you and enlarge your territory. Semper Fi.